even within the limited spaces afforded to them, breaking the shackles of societal servitude and leaving their indelible mark on society. From the early days of Islam's history, al-Mu'mineen, Hazrat Khadijatul Kubra, Radhiyallahu Ta'ala Anha, stood as an inspiring home. We celebrate Muhtarama Fatima Jinnah, the mother of the nation, who stood shoulder to shoulder with her brother Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah while spearheading Pakistan's independence movement. Muhtarama Benazir Bhutto shattered political ceilings to become the first female prime minister in the Islamic world, paving the way for women to aspire for leadership at all levels. Late Arfa Karim made history as the youngest Microsoft certified professional at the tender age of 9 years only. Today, dynamic politicians like Maryam Nawaz Sharif, the first female chief minister in Pakistan to lead any province, continue to inspire women's participation in political and socio-economic future.